Alright, what's going on, everybody? Today I'll be showing you how to create a folder in Windows 11. So Windows 11 came out last year, which was 2021, and so they changed some things, and what that means is the procedure to make a folder, I think it changed. So if you're thinking about upgrading to Windows 11, then this video might be helpful because then you'll know what you need to do to create a folder. So let's go to the next step. So, I mean the first step. The first step is to install Windows 11. So, that's not the Windows 7 installer. The Microsoft just hasn't updated it. I'm not sure why, but it's okay. We can all live with it. So just install Windows 11 first, and then we'll move on to the next step. Okay, step 2 is to right click on your desktop. The screenshot that I got seems to have been from the wrong operating system, but that's okay. I must have just misclicked. But I think it's the same. So now hover your mouse pointer over the new button. Okay, I got this from the Windows 11 though. Hover your mouse pointer over the new button and click folder to create the folder. So that's it, guys. Thank you for viewing. If you want to, I spelled suggest wrong, but if you would like to suggest a video for another video, please leave a comment below telling me what that would be. Have a great rest of your day. I have not tested this on Windows 10. If this works on that, please comment and I will pin it. So thanks for watching the video. I will see you in the next video. Goodbye.